Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube TV on iPhone. So in your iPhone, in order to cancel YouTube TV subscription, you will have to open your web browser. So after opening your web browser, you just have to simply search for tv.youtube.com and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and go in your settings. Now, once you are in your settings, in your membership tab, you will be able to see basic plan. Right next to it, you will see the manage option. So you need to click on manage and then you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to simply select the pause or cancel option. From there, you will have to select the cancel option and provide the reason of your cancellation. So YouTube TV will give you a bunch of different reasons list. So you just have to select your reason from that list and you need to submit your cancellation request. Now, once this step is done, you are going to cancel your YouTube TV with the help of iPhone. Now, we all know that YouTube TV is the product of Google. So if you are wondering that whether you can cancel YouTube TV subscription via your Apple application or with the help of your wallet, so you cannot do it. You will have to follow this web browser step in order to basically cancel your YouTube TV in any of the devices, whether you are using Android or whether you are using iPhone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.